Good day everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to edit a video whereby you enter into a crack wall. Alright, I'm going to show you how to enter into a crack wall using your Capcut. So we are going to be using our mobile phone to edit this video. It is very simple. Alright, so we have a requirement we need for this video. So let's go. We need an effect, a crack wall effect. Alright, now let's go over to YouTube. So now here on YouTube, just search for crack wall effect. I want to show you how to download this effect. Search for crack wall effect. Now if you want to download this effect, we have two ways that you can download this effect. All right, so the first way is to go over to your Chrome and search for Y2Mate. So once you search for Y2Mate, so it will give you a platform where you can paste the YouTube link, so you can download it through the Y2Mate. So you can check my videos. I've dropped a videos on how to download videos on YouTube. For the purpose of this tutorial, all you just need to do is to select this video and play the video. So once you play the video, make sure you screen record the video. All right, play the video and screen record the video. So once you are done with the screen recording, you can import it to your Capcut and crop it out. I hope you understand. So let's go over to our Capcut. Select your Capcut. It is very simple, right? It is very simple. Now go over to your Capcut, go over to new project. So I'm going to show you how I shot this video. Now this is the video. Now this is how I shot this video. Now if you want to shot this kind of video, you see, make sure you place your phone on a tripod, or just make sure the phone is stable. All right, use a stable thing that can hold your phone. So I use tripod here. So now just what you just do is that I just run in like I was doing, like as if someone was pursuing me. So I just knocked the wall 3 times. Yes, so you can do anything. All right, so just move like that, and you see. So this is how to shot this video. It's very simple. So now come over here, go over to the beginning of this video, and let's cut some part away. Okay, now this part, split it, delete here. Now let's go over to the end of the video. Yes, I don't want this part. Delete, split, and delete. The Capcut watermark, delete it. So now so what you are going to do is, can you see? So at that point that I knock the wall, yes, good. So I'm going to import that effect, all right, as an overlay. Go over to overlay and add overlay. So I have the effect here. This is it here. Add. So once you add this effect, so you can use your 2 finger to rotate it. Can you see? You can use your 2 finger to rotate it. So it depends on how you want it to be. You can use your 2 finger to rotate it. So once you are done with that, let's cut off this part here. Cut off this part, split and delete. Good. Now select this effect. Go over to remove background. Go over to remove background. Can you see remove background? and select the chroma key. So once you select the chroma key, automatically it will appear on the screen. Just move it to the green part. So immediately you move it to the green part, the green parts will be removed. So you can now set the shadow and the intensity. Let's set the shadow and the intensity. So we have it like this. Good. So there's something about this Pro feature. Before, we only have the intensity in the shadow and it works perfectly. Let's just try and edit it. Good. Let's try. If you are finding it difficult to use the Pro features, I have already made a video on how to use the Capcut Pro features for free. Alright, I'm going to drop the video in the description below, so make sure you watch it. It is very simple. Alright, so you don't have to pay a dime. I've already shown you the step by step on how to make use of the Pro version of Capcut for free. So now I'm going to use the Pro version right now, which is the clean up edge. Can you see? So that's the work of the Pro version. Hope you understand. So once you have it like that, just mark it and let's increase this. I want it to be bigger. I want it to be very big. So I can decide to adjust it like this. Good. So good. Make use of your 2 fingers, alright? It will be very easy for you. So now the next thing we are going to do here is the way it is now. Just screenshot it the way it is now. I hope you understand. Screenshot it like this and crop it to the size of the picture. Just save it and go over to add overlay. Select the photo. This is it here. Add the photo and use your 2 fingers to make sure it fits to the screen. And come over here, make sure you drag it to the length of the video. I hope you understand. Good. Select that image and go over to remove background. Go over to remove background and select custom remover. Select custom remover. So once you select the custom remover, select brush. So here now you can now use the brush to remove this. Can you see what I'm doing? Yes. Make sure you clear these parts. Make sure you don't clean up the line. You can adjust the size of the brush. You can adjust it here. Can you see? So you can adjust it here. So once you must have done with this, all you just need to do is to select mark. Yes. Now let's check what we just did. Let's check it out. Check it out. So this is how to edit this video, how to forcefully enter a crack wall. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. For the returning subscribers, I want to say thanks to you all for watching my video, for engaging on my video. I really appreciate you all. And for the new people that just come to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Engage on my videos. You drop your comment, the type of video you want me to make for you. I will do it for you. Thank you very much. If you have any issue with any of this video, make sure you drop it on the comment section. I'll be in the comment section replying all messages. So like I said, I drop a video now to use the pro version, the Capcut, which is very simple. Make sure you watch that video so that you'll be able to understand it very well. Thank you for your time. Don't forget, subscribe, click on the post notification bell, and share with your friends. Alright, I will see you in my next video.